Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the URL of your Whatnot show. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and share your Whatnot show. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into Whatnot. Next, click on Seller Hub on the bottom middle hand side. Then click on your upcoming show, and then on the top hand side, you're going to see a yellow button that says Share Show. Now, once you click on this, click on Copy Link on the bottom left hand side, and you've now gone ahead and copied the URL of your show. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.